How was your day? How was your day? Were you busy? Have a kiss? Give me a kiss. I can't reach you. Kiss. Was you a busy bird? You were a busy bird? Were you a good boy? Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Oh, my goodness. Are you mad because I left you? You mad because mommy left? You mad mommy left you? Yes, I love you. I love you. You said, do you love me? You better stop saying them bad words. Why you say bad words? Hey, don't say that. Why you say that words? Give me a kiss. Kiss. Stop saying bad words. Say bye-bye. Okay. I love you.